All right, the next part is we're going to clean up the navigation component and make sure we customize it to ourselves and make it kind of easy for you. Now, this part here, we need to clean up, okay? And so we're going to take these pages off for the most part and then build it the way we want it. So the first thing you do is you go to the Google gear at the top, and we're going to go to Edit Site Layout. And from Edit Site Layout, this will let you change the content by clicking right inside of there. One more time just to make sure you saw that. But just click right inside the navigation bar, and this is where you would change the content to be you. So I will be Dr. Weldon, Dr. Weldon's lab instead of a classroom. That's where you'll put your name, and you'll put your classroom, or you can just put the word lab. And now where it says home, okay, and home assignments and extra credit, we're going to get rid of these pages, but you'll notice you can't do it here. But we're going to go ahead and add a page that we want, and that page is going to be all of our assignments for EDU 3305. So right now we need to select a page to add, and we don't have it here. So right now you can't delete or add pages from this area. We're going to have to go do that and then come back to here. That's the one little area that is a little bit of a hiccup if you ask me. But I'm going to hit OK. And that's how you change the name. Okay. There's more you could have changed inside this navigation bar, right? We could have scrolled down. Wait a minute. It's in here where it says text box, the next black bar. And this is where you would change this component where I can take her picture off and add mine. So you change the names here. And I'd like for you to add an image of yourself right here. And so you just download it from the desktop, wherever you had your image, and then you can insert it. So where it says insert, there's your image. So now we're going to go, and I've got one on my desktop, so I'm going to upload an image, and there's a little cartoon of me. And so now I'm customizing that left side. And it's not centered, so if I want to center that, I'd click on it. I'm looking for the centering button. I make that a little bigger. Oh, there it is. It's right up here. See that? So in the content area, that's where I can add my picture, and I just go with it. Hit OK. So from now on, this tab is now starting to look more and more like me, right? I put my name here, then I took the picture here. Now we need to edit the pages. First, you got to close. And so we want to get rid of some of the pages and make it more customized for us, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is go to where it says pages. I'm going to add a page, and that's going to be where we go EDU 3305 course assignments. Every assignment we have, we are going to put in here. Okay. So we'll put it at the top level. We'll just default it straight to the top and hit create. So now it will show there. It's going to populate. It just takes a little time. And so we are now in the EDU class. So we save it. Now it kind of hid it in there just a little bit. So we're going to now go back over here and edit. Remember how we did that? We clicked over here, and then we go to Edit Site Layout. And now this is where you'll change your navigation. Now you can add a page. The page has been created. You click on it once, and you hit OK. And now it's in there, and it's fifth, right? So if I want to move it up, there's when we'll put it up here on second. Now, if I want to trash pages, where it says homework assignments, I can trash here, extra credit here, and then contact me. You know, we're going to take that off because the home part's going to be about me. So I'm going to take that off and just hit OK. So I've really cleaned this up a lot. I just have a home page, right? And I have my my other page, my EDU page that you'll see in just, there it is right there. Remember, you have to close so you can really kind of see it in this, full, page. So home is right here. And in the home section, this is where you're just going to delete everything that's on here and start from scratch. So We're going to do that the next step. So page 2 was about getting this to look right and getting the pages you want on and the other ones off. So that's the only 2 pages, the home and the EDU 3305. So when I go back to edit site layout, right, and then I click right inside navigation, I should have only those 2 pages. That's it. So that's how you're going to create your pages and make sure your navigation is right and the content looks good on the left side.